In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check usage limits in Claude AI. To get started, open your browser and search for the Claude AI login page. Once you see the official sign-in result, click it to open Claude. From there, sign into your account. If you do not already have an account, you will need to create one before you can continue. Make sure you are fully logged in so you can access your account menu and settings properly. After you enter Claude, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there, usually shown as a circle or profile icon with your account name. Click on that profile section to open the account menu. This is where Claude keeps several account-related options, including the settings area we need for this process. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you will usually see several categories or tabs related to your account, preferences, and plan details. Take a moment here to look through the options carefully so you do not miss the section you need. Inside the settings page, look for an option called Usage. This is the section where usage information and limits may be displayed. Depending on your account type or subscription plan, this option may appear differently, or it may not be available at all. If you do see usage, click on it to open the page and review your current limits and related details. It is important to know that not every account will have access to this section. In some cases, the usage option may not appear because the account is not on the required Claude plan. So if you follow these steps and do not see the usage tab, that does not necessarily mean you are doing anything wrong. It may simply mean your current plan does not include access to usage visibility. If you do have an eligible plan, you should be able to see that section and check the relevant information there. So the key thing to remember is that access to usage limits depends on the type of Claude plan connected to your account. That's all you need to do. Open Claude, sign in, click your profile in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, and then look for the Usage section. If it appears, open it to check your limits. If it does not, your current plan likely does not support that feature yet.